Want to make your home offer stand out? Avoid these common mistakes that could sink your chances. Hey there, Julie Mayers here with Keller Williams Realty, ready to share some insider tips on what not to do if you want your offer on a home to stand out. So, the housing market is pretty hot right now, and that means lots of buyers are buying for the same great properties. Here are 5 key no-nos when you're trying to get your offer accepted. Number 1, not knowing what the seller wants. It's super important to get the scoop on what the seller is looking for beyond just the price. Each seller might want something different, like maybe a little extra time to move out. That's called a rent back. Or a super quick closing to move into their next place. The more you can match what the seller needs, the better your chances. A great agent, like yours truly, will help you figure this out and make your offer really tempting. Number 2, second guessing yourself. Hey, it's easy to get cold feet or keep wondering, what if? But hesitating or being indecisive can mean missing out on your dream home. Have a clear list of what you want and need, know your budget, and be ready to jump when the right place comes along. Number 3, sticking with an agent who isn't a good fit. Your agent is your guide and negotiator in this journey. You need someone who really gets you, listens well, and answers all your questions. Remember, I'm here to fight for you and make sure you get the best deal on one of the biggest purchases you'll ever make. Number 4, asking for too much. Asking a seller for too many extras can seem pushy and might turn them off. Be respectful and fair in your negotiations. Sometimes letting that fancy fridge go with the seller could make the difference in your offer being the chosen one. Number 5, waiving inspections. In a super competitive market, some folks think skipping the home inspection will make their offer stronger. Sure, it might look good at first to the seller, but you need to know about any big expensive issues before you buy. Always get that home inspection. Skipping it could cost you big time later on with unexpected repairs. If you're looking to buy and want the real deal on homes in our area, just reach out. I'm here to help you navigate this market and find your perfect place. Give me a call today. I'm Julie Mayers with Keller Williams Realty. It's your journey. We're here to help.